Hello there everyone and welcome to this Nordic Anglers newsletter. In this newsletter I'm going to show you some of the new cool new stuff that just arrived. The first thing I'm going to tell you about is this is the new TFO LD Legacy. But before we talk about that, because I have a lot to say about that, I want to show you some fly tying news. The first thing is I want to show you this. This is Tanuki, a great material for wings on salmon and sea trout flies, and we have just gotten a big batch of all the best colors. We have the banana yellow, the red, the fairy brown, a black, and also pure yellow. The Tanuki is a great material because it's very soft, and then it also has some stiffer, coarser hairs in it as well. So it's really good for slower moving water because it will not collapse, but it will really move very great on the wings of your flies. It's also fairly long, so you can tie at least decent sized and also fairly large sized tube flies and hooked flies. But the quality of this is just unheard of and spectacular. And also the amount of hair that you get in a package is really generous and really large. So and the price is really sharp. So if you're in the market for some new great hairs for tying your salmon and sea trout or streamers or whatever your heart desires, then swing by Nordic Anglers to see this new Tanuki. It's a really cool product, and there is just a ton in the packaging. The other thing that I'm excited about also is I'm pretty excited almost all the time. I don't know if you've noticed. Is this. After these has been completely sold out, actually 2 times, we've just gotten a new batch from Whiting of these black laced capes and saddles. And in addition to the colors that we already offered before, we've gotten 2 new colors. We've gotten this really deep, very vibrant, cool purple, and also a very cool pink. So new colors available in the black lace series from Whiting. And another thing that is also just available is the first time we've ever seen a hen cape. You know, a hen cape. These others are not rooster, but hen capes. This is a rooster cape. Sorry, a rooster cape. A rooster cape in black laced, and this will just be completely phenomenal for all types of salmon flies, for coastal flies, for streamers, and for all that. Really insanely nice markings on this cape here, and as you can see, the thickness of the cape is very big. So the amount of feathers on here is really big as well. So Tanuki and black laced from Whiting. And now it's time to show you this. This is the TFO LD Legacy. This is going to be the rod that replaces the BVK rod. BVK stands for Bernard Victor Cray, which is the founder of TFO. And perhaps one of the, not perhaps, but one of the absolutely most influential fly fishing personalities of all time, especially in the USA. He founded TFO, and the BVK rod was named after him. BVK, Bernard Victor Cray. But his nickname, or the name that most people know him under, is Lefty Cray. And that's why this new rod, because it is the rod that's going to replace the BVK, is called the LD Legacy. It's Lefty Cray's legacy because unfortunately Lefty Cray died a few years ago. So this is going to be the rod to replace the BVK. This is, in other words, the new BVK. And what this rod is compared to the BVK is, the BVK was a rod that was on the market for quite a long time because it was very popular, and with good reason. It's without a doubt the best casting rod I ever tried in its price category. So this has quite something to live up to. And it does so. If you look overall at the rod, then everything has been updated. It has a brand new, cooler reel seat. It has another kind of darkish, grayish, greenish, very beautiful blank, and also it has some new lighter guides. And overall, this rod is lighter. I haven't taken this rod out fishing, but I have cast it. Also cast it compared to the BVK, and it's a bit faster than the BVK. It's fairly similar to the BVK, but it's a bit faster. The price is the same. It comes in it has this rod bag and then a traveling tube, and at the price, in its price range, I guarantee you this is the best fly rod you can buy. At least it's the best one I ever encountered. So overall, the LK Legacy is an upgraded version from the BVK. And I'm really looking forward to taking this out on the water and just seeing how good it's going to perform out there as well, because it did quite well on the lawn. So also from the 6 weight and up, it comes with a full well's handles, and from the 5 weight and down, it's with a half well's handle. So basically. 3 new product groups that I'm really excited about, but in particular this one, the LK Legacy rod, or just the LK, I think I'm gonna call it. It's quite funny because a while back I played World of Warcraft, and whenever someone says LK, I'm thinking of a big boss in World of Warcraft. So but that's just me. This is the LK rod, and I'm really thrilled about this. Nice finish, nice performance, and definitely, if you're in a market for a rod in this price range, check this one out, because it's outstanding. It's simply outstanding. Well, that's enough ranting for me for now, I think. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, you can find all of these things in this video in my web shop. It's nordicanglers.com, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe to our YouTube, and that's where you're watching this video probably. Otherwise, swing by if ever you need any kind of fly tying materials. We have more than 14,000 different items in stock, so yeah, we have quite a lot of fly tying. Otherwise, the only thing left is to say good luck out on the water, and hope you have a productive fall, and yeah, bye for now.